This video right now is going to talk about logarithms. So logarithms now, what we're talking about in regards to logarithms is the number, so a logarithm, the number, a base must be raised to give you another number. And I know this can be confusing, so let me just explain logarithms for you, and I'll give you an actual example of a log. So let's say I say log in base 10 of 100. What this is asking you is that what must 10, since they said in base 10, what must 10 be raised to the power to give you 100? So the log in base 10 of 100 is equal to. That means that 10 raised to the second power is going to give me 100. So the log of a number is the number a base must be raised to give you another number. Like, for example, log in base 2 of 32. Well, I'm asking what number must 2 be raised to give us 32? The answer is going to be 5. The log of base 3 of 9 would give me 2. What number does 3, this base here, need to be raised to give me 9? What logarithms are asking is the number a base must be raised to give you another number. So whichever number this base must be raised to give you another number. So log in base 4 of 2, 4 has to be raised to the power of 1/2. So this would equal 1/2. What power will the base have to be raised to in order to give you this number? So this little number here, what power do we have to be raised to give you this number? And the way you can write it, so let's say it's log in base b, and log in base b of, let's say, I'll just give it a number, m is equal to n, let's just say. That means b raised to the power of n, swing it around, has to equal m. b raised to the power of n has to equal m. So, and if you ever forget, the one I always use to remember is this. 10 raised to the power of 2 gives me 100. b raised to the power of n gives me m. So when we're talking about logs, and this is just a quick introduction to log is asking the number a base must be raised to give you another number. We use logarithms when we're trying to find out the exponent. When we're in the logarithm world, this number that we get represents the exponent. This is the exponent that I have to write on 2 in order to give me 32. This is the exponent that I have to write on 9 in order to give me, on 3 in order to give me 9. This is the exponent that I have to write on 4 in order to give me 2. So these numbers that I'm getting here are exponents. They represent exponents. So tomorrow we're going to go into the rules of logarithm. This is just a quick introduction to logarithms.